Let me show you how to discover content inside of TikTok. If you're new to using TikTok and want to look at content that you actually like, let me show you a few steps that you need to follow. The first thing you can do is whenever you come across a particular video that you like, you can just interact with it. So you can give it a like or even comment on it and even save this video. This way the algorithm knows that you like this kind of content. But if you come across a content that you don't like, then you can just tap, press and hold the screen, and this menu will open up where you can tap on not interested. This way the algorithm also knows that you are not interested in these type of content and will show you less of them. So this is the first way that you need to do, is like and interact with the content that you like. Tap on not interested on the content that you don't like. The second thing that you can do is head over to the search bar on the top, search up things that you like, and then this way as well you're gonna start to see content that you actually searched up for. Now, other than the For You page content, you can also head over to the Following, Explore or the STEM section to look at additional content. If you head over to the Explore section, you're gonna get pictures that you can look at, or you can also head over to the STEM section, which is science, technology, engineering and mathematics, if that is something that you're interested in. So by following these few steps, you'll be able to discover content inside of TikTok. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.